In this lesson, we are going to learn the phonetic sound of the letter K. The letter K is written as shown. It starts with a vertical line drawn right down and draw two slanting lines to meet the vertical line like this. The small letter K is written in a similar way, but the slanting lines start from the middle as shown. Let's see that one more time. Capital K, small letter K. Let's learn the phonetic sound of K. K makes the sound K, 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 as in kite. We get to see some amazing kites at the Kite Festival. K, as in kangaroo. Kangaroos are found in eastern Australia. They can jump up to 25 feet in a single hop. K, as in king. Once upon a time, kings ruled the world. K, as in key. Now, that key looks pretty important. I wonder how the safe would look if its key looked like that. K, as in koala. Koalas are found in Australia and they eat only eucalyptus leaves. Remember, children, there is one other alphabet that shares the sound of K, which is C. C also makes the sound K, just like K. Let's just look at all the words one more time that start with the sound of K. Kite, king, key, koala, kangaroo. Excellent.